Hi guys, this is Byrd and welcome back. It has been a minute since I have done a fabric haul, and not only do I have 7 beautiful pieces of fabric to share with you. I have a pattern that I have, and I also have a little gadget that I want to share with you guys. If you are new to me, please do me a favor and go ahead and subscribe. I would appreciate that. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, you already know. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. All right, guys, so let me start with the pattern. Joann's had a sale. Everything was $1.99 around July 4th, and I am trying to only purchase things that I know that I'm really going to use. I've been looking at this caftan for a while, and the pattern was really out of stock for a long time. So I was really happy to find the pattern. This is Simplicity 9323, and she's gorgeous. I think I can do a lot of different things with this. I really do like this particular view. I like that. I think it has a tie in the back. I also like this little V cutout in the front. And then looking at the silhouette, yes, there is a belt. You will need roughly 3 to 4 yards because this is a lot. So you're going to need roughly 3 to 4 yards of fabric. It says cotton blends or a silky top type of fabric. Now, I would recommend a cotton blend if you are planning to use this for a beach vacation or if you are in a very hot climate, because y'all, you need something that is breathable. So I love that. Again, Simplicity 9323. Stay tuned because I try to give you updates and a heads up when Joann's is having other sales. So I got this one really good rate, and I purchased a gadget. So if you don't know, I have an Amazon store. I will drop the link below, and I've been looking at this. It is not an expensive gadget. It is a rotation auto face track device. Literally, that is the name of it. And this is what it looks like. So if you are into creating content, this is an inexpensive gadget. You just place your phone in here and you can do either landscape or portrait mode. You connect it to your phone by way of Bluetooth. You don't need any special apps or anything like that. And what happens if I had my phone on this particular gadget right now, as I moved left or right, this gadget will just simply move with me, which is pretty darn good. So I will drop the link for this. I thought this was a really neat find. And the other thing that they have on the bottom is you can screw off this little thing on the bottom and actually place it on a tripod. So I'm excited to work with that. Really neat. All right, let's get into the fabric, y'all. Okay, I have 7 pieces of fabric. I am going to start with this one. It is a Minerva exclusive fabric. It is called Wildflowers. It is a silk satin. It is a silk satin fabric. Let me give you a beautiful view of it. So the backdrop is like a black, and it has these gorgeous, what I'm going to say, they look like tulips or different types of flowers, very much like a night garden of sorts. I love the royal blue hints throughout the entire garment. I love these orange and the pale pinks. I think it's a really gorgeous piece of fabric, and I love the patterns on it. And it is a silky satin. It is a silk satin. Really great quality. When you sew with this, you do want to make sure that you don't snag your fabric, that you're using a new, I would probably use a fine needle and just be very cautious when I'm cutting and when I'm sewing the garment. And it has a fair amount of drape. So I'm really excited to work with this one. Could this work for the caftan? Absolutely. This is such a gorgeous piece of fabric that I don't know that I'm going to use it for the caftan, but this is really gorgeous. So love it. Again, this is Wildflowers silk satin. I only have about 3 yards, which is enough. I think I can make some pretty amazing things. So these next 2 pieces actually come from 2 different places. This one here is a Minerva core range. It is a soft, supple stretch faux leather. You're thinking faux leather, it's been running about 80 or 90 degrees every week. Why are you looking at faux leather? Because y'all, when August rolls in, I start thinking about my fall makes, and I start shifting. By about August 15th, I usually stop doing summer makes. I might have one or two, but generally I'm going to start moving toward my fall makes. And I think that this will be gorgeous, whether it is a bomber jacket. I'm kind of thinking not completely wide leg, but certainly not narrow leg. Pants, dress pants. I think this would be really nice for the fall. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you get into that? I think this would be nice with some pleats and of course pockets. So that's what I'm planning to do with this. So thank you so much, Minerva, for this gorgeous faux leather. The next piece of faux leather, now I'm going to let you know. I don't know that this is really faux leather. Where I purchased it, they told me it was faux leather. I got this from the LA Fabric District. Check one of my other videos as I walk you through the LA Fabric District while I was shopping. This is a black, the store manager told me it is a black faux leather. I try to keep the clips on so I know what I have. And it could be, or it could actually be a Lycra. I'm not entirely sure. But what I paid for it, which was a really, really good rate. I think I got 4 yards of this and I ended up paying, wait for it, less than $10. So is it faux leather? I'm not sure, but I do like it. It is a 4-way stretch. So it stretches more against the width versus the length. This I think would make either for a faux leather pair of pleated pants, but honestly, when I got it, I was really thinking more of a pair of elevated faux leather leggings, elevated faux leather leggings for the fall that will lead me right into the winter. So that's what I'm thinking about for this one. During my travels, I also had the opportunity recently to go to Seattle. There is this little fabric shop, I'll drop the link, in Lynwood, Washington, which is probably about 30 minutes north of Seattle. And I always stop in. The people are the shop owners. It's a husband and wife. They are really, really nice, inviting, and warm. I actually have a video up right here on the YouTube channel where I walk you through all of the many beautiful fabrics that they have on sale there. I got a really gorgeous one last year when I was out visiting family. And really happy with this one. So this is 6 yards, and it says that it is a Supreme wax print. It is in Ankara. And what I love about this particular, well, first, it's gorgeous, right? Can you see this in a dress, guys? This is really gorgeous fabric. And what I like, and I want to get up close so you guys can see that. If you look, there's like this silvery thing on it. And I really like that. I think it definitely elevates the look. And to me, this just speaks, it makes me feel regal. And so I know that I want to make a really gorgeous, probably dress with some volume. This will probably be a really good dress fabric for a Frocktails event, but a wedding, all kinds of things. So I'm excited for this particular fabric. Really beautiful. It's not really a royal blue, and then the kind of black accents throughout. And I love the pattern on it. It does indeed speak to me. The last 3 fabrics that I have are all knits. So I'm going to start with this one. This is a Minerva exclusive Falling Blossom Viscose jersey stretch knit. Now I have, I think, about 2 yards of this, and I'm working on a special pattern with Minerva on this. I can't tell you the details about the pattern, but I already know the pattern and the project. This is a four-way. Now, it might be considered a medium weight. I'm thinking I would call it like a lightweight to medium weight. There is a decent amount of there is some drape in it, and I love the colors here. I love the flowers. I love that blue background, and this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous, and this, I can't wait. This is actually the very next project that I'm going to be working on. Probably going to start cutting on that tomorrow, and I'm excited to work with that. I love this. It is such a quality fabric. All of Minerva's fabrics are great quality. And then this one is really, really cute too, and it speaks to me. It is a Minerva Neon Zoo Glossy Activewear Lycra Stretch Knit. And it's green, it's like a forest green. It has these neon yellows and blues and pinks, and it has elephants and flamingos and giraffe. Get in there, guys. Look at that. Look at that. I know I'm going to be making some leggings. I teach yoga and kickboxing. I am absolutely going to be making some leggings and probably a matching top for this. This is so cute. This would also be really good for a skirt with like the shorts underneath for like pickleball, if y'all are into pickleball. So this would be really cute to show up either teaching class or on the pickleball court. So I really love this one, and it is 4-way stretch as well with really great recovery. I think this will be good for leggings or a pickleball outfit. And then last, y'all, but not least, this is the Tiger Reef Scuba Stretch Knit. Now, this is also from Minerva. So thank you again, Minerva, for the gifted fabric. This fabric, I picked this because I don't really have the opportunity often to sew with a scuba fabric. So I was excited to find this one. It's not a super heavy one. Let's see, it stretches, I think, against the width. There's no stretch in this direction, a little bit of a give, but mostly the stretch is in just one direction against the width of the fabric. So probably really great for a fitted dress that's just going to move with you. And then look at those colors, those beautiful yellows and blues. This is giving off island vibes, but you guys, I love wearing colors no matter where I am. They really do speak to me. I'm generally not one that will pick up a solid color fabric. Occasionally I will, but I am really drawn to lots and lots of prints. So thank you guys so much. Those are all of my fabrics that I have, and I'm excited. I'm excited for the pattern. This is a really cute gadget, and I'll try to remember when I use it for one of my videos. I'll try to remember to let you know, guys, I used it and I used it for this video, so you can let me know how it looks as I go side to side. But I'm excited for all of the fabrics, guys. So I have some knits, I have faux leather, and I have wovens and Ankara. So remember, before you sew with any of your garments, the first thing that you want to do is take them to the wash machine, wash and dry them. And then I fold them up and put them off to the side so that I'm ready. If you are using Ankara, Ankara has, I don't see really the stickers on here. I hope this wasn't a cut piece and I ended up with less than 6 yards because it looks like it may have already been cut. But that's okay. It was good for me to be able to support a small business owners, which is really what I wanted to do. But what I was going to say is that on Ankara, one of the things that you want to look for is there will be a big sticky patch, usually in the middle of the fabric, and that kind of helps to authenticate the fact that it is really Ankara fabric. Don't just pull that off. I actually have a video that will show you how to take it off with some heat, either a piece of cotton or paper towels, and to get rid of that residue. Otherwise, you may end up wasting a lot of your fabric. So that is my fabric haul, guys. It's been a while. Again, thank you guys so much for rocking with me. And if you are new to me, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for now, and let me know which one of these beauties is your favorite fabric. Happy sewing, guys. Bye-bye for now.